Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be testing which engines I guess can jump over some drawbridge in Thom Toys Universe. It's going to be the first video I've ever recorded in this game because, or basically any Thom Toys game. So yeah. Which engines should I do first? Let's do Ethel, or Ethel, goddammit. Oh my god, Ethel can go 80. It's fucking tiny ass engine. How can it go 80? Oh, I need to turn my damn graphics quality up. Holy shit. There we go. I turned it down because I thought there was something wrong with my screen in the game I was playing earlier. Alright, hold on. I guess let's check the drawbridge. You know, that'd be a good idea, considering how we're trying to jump it. And I hope at some point I get a PC and trim simulator, because then I would record my YouTube videos in there. I just have to download a lot of stuff, like engines, roots, skins for the engines. Well, I guess Ethel can make it across the bridge. Oh shit, okay, that would be fun. I guess this will be the really fighting fuck or not. But Ethel decided to take us through the buffers. Or no, get stuck in them. God damn it, yeah, Thom Toys is honestly a peak game. Actually, all the Thom Toys games are peak. And they're not like controversial. Cough cough. Lucian runs cough cough. So do we're online. Well, time of this video, Lucian runs is dead. And it has been since like October of last year. Holy shit, can I get spam can onto the turntable, please? God, I gotta flip my damn phone over. Oh my god. There we go. Holy shit. Whoa. Spam can goes fast. Although Dennis does for some reason. Oh, what? Damn it, I thought it was multi-track drifting. Which yesterday I was playing Thom Toys Universe with two of my friends. And we were doing a lot of like bridge jumping and stuff. And it was just so fun, honestly. We jumped a lot of engines across the bridge. And yeah. If I ever get 1,000 Robux, I'm changing my Roblox username. Because it sucks. Let's try Salty. Salty should work. Oh damn, he can go 70. Yeah, Ethel can go fucking 80. Jesus. Wait, does Salty have any liveries? his hat that looks like it's from fucking Tugs. Can I even change this? Ooh, I can. The fuck? There's this weird stuff on the sides. The fuck did I just do? Did Salty run over and kill someone or something? Like, what the hell? Oh my god, Salty is slow as shit. Well, he's not slow as shit. It's that he just can't make it across the bridge. I tried taking, I think it was Derek, across the bridge yesterday, but he just got stuck at the top. Okay, let's go back to special engines. Let's try Lucian. How fast can Lucian go? 80. This video won't be that long, because I really don't want to make it that long. Lucian? Oh my god, Lucian can make it across the bridge. And Edward can't with 2 express coaches. Wait, let's try Molly. If she's even... Okay, she is in the game. But yeah, Thom Toys Universe is just an awesome game, honestly. I can't wait for the next update. Oh fuck, I forgot to get turned around on the turntable. What the hell? There we go. Alright, gonna go 80 backwards because... What the fuck? Come on, Molly. God damn it. Delete her tender. And from here, we'll go. Oh, she cannot fucking make it. Okay. Wait, let's try, like, Bear next. So I guess I'm putting Molly in the losers section where Salty is. Because they both couldn't make it. Because they suck, they're stinky, they're poo-poo heads. Hopefully Bear isn't a stinky poo-poo head. Holy shit. He's passed. I guess after Bear, we're gonna try Dennis. And I got Spam Can theme playing. I'm not gonna go faster than 100 down this hill. I learned that the hard way yesterday. Oh my god, man. Wait. Ah, damn it. He's stuck. And he is currently being choked to death by a barrel. I hope the barrel wins. I mean, Bear. Oh yeah, I was doing hide and seek in Thom Toys Universe with some of my friends yesterday. And I hid. Well, I originally hid right here. But Then I decided to change my hiding spot by hiding over here. Probably not the best idea, especially since I was driving Genty. Okay, let's try Dennis next. Bear was able to make it, but didn't land on the tracks. Holy fucking shit, Dennis is fast. Why is Dennis so fast, bro? Like, he literally can go 100. And yet he can't fucking make it. You've gotta be kidding me. He can go that fast, but he slows down on a fucking bridge. You have got to be kidding me. Hey, yo, it's Big Mickey! Big Mickey! Big Mickey! Alright, anyways. Yes, let's delete Dennis and get a different engine. Because Dennis is a stinky poo-poo head and didn't land. Or even go over the bridge. What if I try some tender engines? What about Henry? Henry should work. If I delete his tender, of course. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ooh, Henry can go 100 as well. That's good. Alright, let's go, Henry. You can do this. Fuck. Alright, Henry, let's do this. Yep, Henry with... God damn it, fuck these points. Henry with his old-ass running board. And his new firebox. I'm turning those goddamn lamps off. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Jesus Christ. Guess I gotta get out of the cab for this one. This lamp is a piece of shit. Like, what the fuck? How did Henry get up here? So I guess Henry's not happening. Ooh, what about Gordon? Or Spencer, actually. Let's try Spencer. See if that'll work. Wonder how long I've been recording for so far. 13 minutes. Okay. Yeah, also update on the next episode of Railway Series Rewritten. It is not been filmed or recorded yet either. I've had time to, but I also haven't really thought about doing that so far. See if Markland can make it. Oh, he has the odd fucking GUI. And he just derailed, going 70. Holy fuck. Oh, I need to do... What the fuck, said Edward. What, the turntable just... Oh, wait, I know why the turntable moved, but... Why did it move with me on it? Let's see if the flying Scotsman can actually fly. By, first of all, fucking deleting both his tenders. Because they won't fit on the turntable. I need more room for Scotty. Come on. Come on, come on. Now you click his boiler. What the fuck? Why is there a red Scotsman? Why does this exist? What the fuck? Nah. Why does red Scotsman exist? It's fucking weird. God damn it, Markland, move out of the way, you fat fuck. Even though I'm driving one of the fattest fucks in the game. AKA flying skibbity. No, fuck, I hate brain rot. Why did I say that? No, Scotsman. Oh my god. Is my screen having a seizure? Ow. Oh my god, my eyes. To anyone who's watching, I'm sorry for fucking blinding you there. I didn't know that shit was gonna happen. Well, Scotsman cannot make it over the bridge, so... Holy fuck, I'm over here. I also still have yet to rewrite episode 4 of Tales of Sudbury and History. I'm trying to. I just haven't really found time to do that quite yet. When I find the time to, I will rewrite it and then upload it. Either way, I'm still killing off Morty. So. Now, let's do Thomas, and then I'm gonna end the video. Oh my fucking god. Thomas can do it too, hell yeah. Well, out of, whatever engines it did, some of them didn't even make it over the bridge. Bear made it, kind of. Dennis couldn't. And Henry just fucking freaked out and died. So, I'd say that went pretty successful, honestly. Anyways, I'm gonna fix the bridge real quick. And take the line of winner engines, which turned out to be Thomas, Lucian, Spam Can, and Ethel. All 4 of them made it and landed on the tracks. I'm gonna have to uncouple Spam Can from Ethel. Oh, well, the winners kind of just fucking died. Besides Ethel just fucking exists. Okay, now basically all the winners are dead. Thomas is upside down. Lucian is on the side. And Spam Can is dead in whatever this fucking green thing is. I'd say the video went well, honestly. But I'll catch you in the next one, which will hopefully be a railway series horribly rewritten. But for now, goodbye.